Friend, today's video we are going to discuss about why listening is most important. Friend, if you want to improve your English, if you are practicing, then friend, 100% you should start to listen in English. Whatever content it will be, start to listen it in English. Because friend, what happen? We want to speak. It's the output, but for that output, we need input and input as a listening. That's why friend, everyone, those students want to speak English, they should prefer to watch most of content in English. What happens? Our subconscious mind will be habitual towards that content. And whenever we will specify a problem, mostly what happens most of time, at a correct time we didn't recall any correct vocabulary or correct sentence. That time that content automatically will help you and you can able to speak in English. Most of time, most of student I want to share also my experience. When I was speaking more and more, it was boring to me, because what happened, I was only speaking, not listening, and that's why that time I had lack of a content. I had not a various topic to speak. That's why listening is also too much important. You want to improve your English speaking skill. What more you will listen, that much you will able to speak. And friend, I want to tell you lastly, if you want to become a speaker, English very well English speaker, then listen more and more, watch too much movies in English, watch too much content in English, whatever you will like. And friend, if you like this advice, please subscribe and press the bell icon. And please friend, share with your friend, because friend, next video notification you will get. Thank you so much friend. See you next video. Bye bye.